Hi, I'm Ned Nelson from NYTC Noise Stop Systems. I'm here today at Paya. It's a new office location that we're going to be starting the renovation work. In fact, we've already started the renovation work. Well, not the renovation, but the demolishing. I think the technical term for it is dismantle and dispose of existing structure. Well, previously we'd got all stuff around here. It's all been removed. And then now we've got all of this is basically the rice bag sacks with all the debris from the walls in the second story office that we demolished. Just walking up there now. There we go. Bit of exercise for you. And here we're on the second floor. There's all this rubbish down here. All this rubbish down here. And all of that structure there. The guys are getting a crane to take all of these bigger items out. All of this is loaded up, ready to go out. And basically, in here is the toilets. All of this is going to get removed, and then let's go to the next floor. Okay, and we've got another floor here. Goes up that way. You can also take the lift, which is there. Depends how long it's going to take. There's basically one duplex unit on the first floor. That means it's double height. Second floor was an office, which we've taken all the walls down. And then going up to the last floor, that's actually a triple story unit. It's not even duplex. There's actually 3 stories on the third story of use. So we're just going up there in the lift. It actually has a private lift behind, but we're not going to use that until we've had a service done to it to make sure it's safe. And basically, here we are on the third story. You can see the massive ceiling height that we've got. It's pretty insane, really. And all the way around, we've got the crane up here. So later on, we're going to, obviously build more onto this. There's going to be a lot of work done on this floor. We've got a toilet and showers going in there, and then there's going to be some flooring going in there, and then here's the private lift, and that's basically the tour of Paya. Watch this space. We're not doing a time capture for this one because I don't think that we need to do a time capture of every single job that we do, but you'll be able to see the progress as we get keep going through the work, and we'll see you again soon. If you've got any questions about building renovation, noise control, general interior design questions, please feel free to ask questions, and we'll do our best to answer them for you in the most honest and straightforward way. So we will tell you about how to save money on jobs, what the market rates will be, and what you can do to get a better price. Thanks again for watching. Look, oh dear, I'm getting a double chin. Yeah, oh, you can see it. Right, we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.